Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Google Drive APK on Mibox Android TV. Open browser and search APK Mirror. Search Google Drive. Click the N variants. Most of Android TV including Mibox are still using 32-bit Android, so we need to download the V7A APK here, but in case your Android TV is 64-bit, please also download the V8A APK. Make sure to save these two APK to an USB drive. Remove it from PC when download is finished. Now, on Mibox Android TV, open Google Play Store. Search Mibox APK installer for Android TV. Download and install it. Open it and allow permissions. Plug in the USB drive to the Mibox or Android TV. Although the Mibox has a ARMv8L CPU, it is still running 32-bit OS, so we are gonna install the V7A version of the APK now. You won't find its icon in the home screen, so you need to download and install another app called Sideload folder in order to launch it from home screen. It automatically signs in your Google account. You may need to use a mouse to make it fully operable. Wallpaper by MacLeod. Link, https://incompetech.filmmusic.io/song/3340-acid-trumpet license, http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/